Hey guys, it's Sarah. So if you don't know, I do a lot of special effects makeup. So because I love it so much, I decided to kind of do a few little simple tutorials on the beginner stuff. So this video is going to be bruising just because it's a simple thing that anyone can really do. So yeah, let's just get right on with this video. You will need makeup sponges that you can rip up, a bruise wheel. You could also use face paints, lipsticks or eyeshadows as long as they're in the correct colours. And some setting spray if you want it to last for a really long time. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to rip up a side of the sponge by picking at little bits of the sponge until you like the pattern. You do this because bruises are random and this helps make that randomness without too much difficulty. So first I'm going in with this yellow colour and I'm just going to be adding that to the area that I would like the bruise in the end. I'm just doing this to kind of outline and start to give it a bit of colour. Next, I'm going in with this dark red shade. I know it looks a bit brown on camera, but trust me, it's actually dark red in real life. And I'm just dabbing that on and around the outside rim of where I added the yellow in the last step. Next, I'm going in with this dark blue shade, and I'm just adding that to the same area as that I added the red in the last step. And I'm just going in with a makeup wipe and getting rid of the little bits of built up colour here that I found that make it look a lot more fake if I just left them. And then I'm just going over that area with some colour to fill it in so there's not a massive gap. The yellow wasn't showing up, so I ripped the other side of the sponge and filled it in. Then I'm just looking to see if there's any spots that don't look right colour-wise, and I'm just filling those in as necessary. And then I saw more build up, so I just removed that with a makeup wipe and filled it in again. So this is the final look before setting spray. In real life it took around 15 minutes, but I can do it in 5. And then I'm just adding some setting spray to set it in place. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If it is, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!